what you're looking for. It's me, the old me. It's a style.
Hello everyone, introduce, my name is Marta Syahriati from Public Health Study Program Semester 2. In this video, I will discuss about the ethics of coughing and sneezing. Without lingering, let's start to the discussion. Before that, I want to ask all of you, how do you feel if there are people who cough harshly around you, ill-will, annoyed, or just ordinary? We need to know that when we coughing and sneezing, we sprinkle thousands or even millions of germ particles. Therefore, it is important for us to apply the ethics of coughing and sneezing so that we do not transmit the disease to people around us. So as for the ethics of sneezing and coughing, as follow. Let's go. First, when we are about to cough or sneeze, cover our nose and mouth with a tissue. The second, if we forget to bring a tissue or don't have a tissue, then cover our mouth and nose using the upper sleeve of our shirt. Remember, the upper sleeve of our shirt, not the palm of the hand. If the cough is continuous, then wear or use a mask. The tissues and masks that have been used for coughing and sneezing should be thrown into the trash can. And last, after performing sneezing and coughing etiquette, don't forget to wash your hands using soap and running water, as well as alcohol-based liquids such as hand sanitizer. Okay guys, don't forget. After practicing the ethics of coughing and sneezing as a form of preventive measure, it is better to use a mask when we are going out of the house, because the mask serves to filter dust and particles in the air and to protect us from virus kind and the disease. So this is a little knowledge about the ethics of coughing and sneezing. Hope it is useful. Thank you. Bye.